Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a teacher appointment letter. What is the teacher appointment letter? A teacher appointment letter is a formal letter written to the candidate who has been selected for the particular job role, which is as a teacher. It is to be signed by the candidate as proof or confirmation of acceptance. Here, Writing Practices channel will show you how to write a teacher appointment letter step by step. Check this out. First thing first, write the date today. And then, write recipient's full name. In this example is Haibara. And write the address. Don't forget to mention the city, state and zip code. Now, you may open the letter with Dear Ms. or Mr. followed by the last name of the recipient. And open it first paragraph with warming greetings such as congratulations. In the first paragraph, tell the recipient the reasons why you are writing them a letter. You can write that the recipient is accepted. You need to mention the job position and other specific details. For example, if the recipient is accepted to be the teacher, write the subject. Write the level of the class. And also write the date of their first job. In the next sentence, mention that you attached the terms and conditions regarding to the agreement form. In the second paragraph, congrats and welcome the recipient with warming words. Show your excitement to work together with the recipient. It is like welcoming new family. And finally, close the letter with sincerely. You can then write your signature, your full name, and your position, complete with the school name and the address. So, that's how you write a teacher appointment letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.